Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate chip cookies using an easy method. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gather all your ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with both brown and granulated sugars until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until just combined. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, just like a perfectly baked cookie, some things are just better when they last. Life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the best results, always use room temperature butter. It creams much better with the sugars. Remember not to overmix your dough once the flour is added, as this can make your cookies tough. If you prefer a chewier cookie, slightly underbake them and let them cool on the hot baking sheet for a few extra minutes. Enjoy your perfect homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.